Ever look at a stunning photo or cinematic video and wonder, what camera are they using? The truth is, talent matters, but the right camera can make a huge difference. The problem? Sony's camera lineup has become so large that choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Some are built for vloggers, some are made for photographers, and others can do almost everything. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best Sony cameras you can buy right now. From beginner-friendly content creation machines to professional full-frame powerhouses. And trust me, the number 1 pick is the camera I'd recommend to almost anyone. As always, all product links are waiting in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, the Sony ZV-E10. If you're starting a YouTube channel, creating content for social media, or jumping into vlogging, this camera deserves your attention. The ZV-E10 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor capable of producing sharp photos and impressive 4K video. What makes it special is how creator-friendly it feels. The fully articulating screen makes self-recording easy, while Sony's autofocus system does an excellent job keeping subjects sharp. The built-in microphone also performs surprisingly well for a camera in this category. And because it uses Sony's E-mount system, you can upgrade lenses as your skills grow. For beginner creators, it's one of the best values in Sony's lineup. At number 4, the Sony A6400. This camera has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable content creation cameras ever made. The 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers excellent image quality, while Sony's legendary autofocus remains one of its biggest strengths. Subject tracking feels incredibly accurate and dependable. The compact body makes it easy to carry, and the flip-up screen works well for creators who frequently film themselves. Whether you're streaming, creating YouTube content, shooting photos, or traveling, the A6400 handles it all with confidence. Even years after its release, it's still one of Sony's smartest camera purchases. At number 3, the Sony A7C. This is where things get serious. The A7C packs a full-frame sensor into one of the most compact camera bodies Sony has ever produced. You get beautiful image quality, strong low-light performance, and impressive dynamic range without carrying a large professional camera. The autofocus system is fast, intelligent, and extremely reliable. Meanwhile, the lightweight design makes it perfect for travel photographers and content creators who spend long days shooting. If you've been waiting to step into the full-frame world without carrying extra weight, the A7C is an outstanding choice. At number 2, the Sony A7R V. This camera is simply ridiculous in the best possible way. The A7R V features a massive 61 megapixel full-frame sensor capable of capturing incredible detail. But the real star is the AI-powered autofocus system. It can recognize and track people, animals, birds, vehicles, and more with remarkable accuracy. Landscape photographers love it. Wildlife photographers love it. Commercial photographers love it. And it's easy to see why. The image quality is stunning, the stabilization system is excellent, and the level of detail this camera can produce is genuinely impressive. If maximum image quality is your goal, few cameras can compete. But taking the number 1 spot, the Sony A7 IV. This is the camera that gets everything right. It features a 33 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers outstanding image quality for both photography and video. The autofocus system is fast and reliable. Burst shooting is quick. Low light performance is excellent, and the fully articulating display makes content creation much easier. What really makes the A7 IV special is versatility. Portraits, weddings, travel photography, wildlife, video production. It handles all of them exceptionally well. Unlike some cameras that specialize in one area, the A7 IV feels comfortable doing almost everything. And that's exactly why it earns the number 1 spot. So, which Sony camera would you choose? The creator-focused ZV-E10, the ultra-detailed A7R V, or the all-around powerhouse A7 IV at number 1? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more camera gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.